My dear MBA MCA students and some degree students, learning of normal distribution of probability is very important. Probability distribution is also known as Gaussian distribution. It is a continuous probability distribution, my dear students. This curve is like a bell shaped curve but never touches the x axis or y axis. Here, this is known as a empirical rule, my dear students. 68% of the data is around with one standard deviation, 95% with two standard deviation, 99% of the data is with third standard deviation. Here, normal distribution values are calculated with the help of this formula. Z is equal to x minus mu by standard deviation, my dear students. There will be two kinds of means. One is population mean, and whatever the mean that which we are expected, that is said to be like x minus mu by standard deviation. With the help of this formula, we can calculate z values, my dear students. Here, the applicability, if you see, like a normal distribution, this is mainly used to prove that the height of the people are normally distributed around 175 inches or likewise, my dear students, subject to the calculations. And one more thing, my dear students, the blood pressures of the people while calculating randomly, that will be checking with the help of this normal distribution and all, my dear students. The important thing is this is a bell shaped curve, and there will be only one peak will be there, my dear student. There will not be any two peaks. See, only one peak will be there. Have you seen? So this distribution of variables in and around the mean. See, if you are calculating one mean, my dear students, like some numbers randomly you are taking, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like you are taking sigma x by n, you are doing, you are getting a mean. When you plot these numbers, they will be scattered around symmetric to mean in and around, which means most of the numbers are around the mean. Some of the numbers are elsewhere, my dear students. Means the empirical rule says for a normal distribution, 68.2% of the observations will appear within plus or minus one standard deviation, and of the mean, 95% of the falls within two standard deviation, and 99.7 within third. And this is the actual formula for calculating of z values, my dear students. F of x, my dear students. Normal distribution is also used in finance. Actually, at the time of investment decisions, what we consider is we take large samples. There, it's a possibility to calculate observed frequencies. My dear students, discrete frequency, there we are using Poisson distribution as well as binomial. But here, if the data is large, we are using normal.